Hi everyone, welcome to another session of Kip Course Highlights. You are here with me, Amy. I am a teacher here at the Keystone School, and of course, Kip himself. He's ready to go. It's a little chilly today, so we're just kind of hanging out. Um, so as we talk, if you have any questions, please comment, like, share. We love doing these course highlights for you. They kind of give you an inside view of what some of our courses look like. So today, I wanted to talk about a math elective or a math course that we have. It's called Practical Math. I think it's a good course to add to any academic coursework that you are doing. So if you need a fourth math or you're, not really wanting to take, algebra two or, whatever the case is, whatever the requirements are for your program or your school, practical math might be a good addition to that. So for practical math, you're going to use a lot of the concepts you've already learned, in algebra and in geometry to solve real world based problems. So you're going to be using a lot of statistics and probability, and you're going to be doing basic order of operations to do finance and budgeting and using, kind of logic and analytical thinking to work through those topics. So I thought that this is a good core, especially with the financial math aspect. That's um, a good part of the course for students who are graduating or, want that exposure to some of that financial math. So all this information right here with our course outline can be found on the online course catalog. So if you have any questions or you want to see a little bit more about it, you can check out our course catalog. It is online for you. So practical math can be a full year course, but it is broken down into semester one, semester two. You can kind of see there's a lot of different projects. So it's a lot of project-based learning. You are going to be doing, the typical lessons and quizzes and submitted assignments, but you do use the skills that you're learning to work on different projects within the course itself. So at this point, I want to take an opportunity to show you what the course looks like in the landing page itself. So give me just a second. I'm going to open that for you. And I can kind of show you what that looks like. So for practical math, our middle school and high school courses do look pretty similar when you're landing on the page. You have your announcements down here. So anything that would be important or new, or if there's any tech issues like that would be here. You can access the course content here as well, and there are different site links that are helpful. But if you take a look up here, you can get to the content from right there. So there is a section I want to take a look at with you. Specifically, it's over mean, median, and mode. Most students are very comfortable with those three concepts because you hear about them a lot when you're in algebra. So in this particular section, you are getting reintroduced to mean, median, and mode. So with that, I wanted to kind of show you the breakdown. You do have some offline learning. You have the online learning, which you have your quiz in here. You have examples you're going to work through. So I wanted to kind of show you what some of it looked like. Some of it's not very flashy, but there are different pieces and parts to it. So different sections you're going to be able to see, you're reading a couple things, you have tips built in. Um, if you scroll through, again, you're reading that part, but there are interactive examples. So for this particular one, you have this data set, and each part of this is a worked part of the example. So you can take your time to look at the formula that you have, how to use the formula for the given data set to find the average age, and then how to simplify the work and then what it means. So how the answer is actually interpreted, which is a big deal. A lot of students struggle with the interpretation of the number that you find. So I think that's really kind of cool. And you go through this section even more and you're doing the same thing. So you have a data set up here instead of a table, and you get to walk through the different parts. So I wanted to kind of show you that. I thought that was pretty cool. Just because it's different, you do have those interactive examples. You can do a little bit more in some of these courses. along with those projects. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, you can reach out to Keystone directly. You can call us. You can check out the website with the course catalog and send us a message. You could comment on here. We love supporting students, and we'd love to answer any questions that you may have. If you want any information on how to enroll or any more information on our courses, check out that website as well. Well, thank you for joining us for another session. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.